car's going to make it?
First gear.
First gear. 20%. What do you call that?
Gradient.
She's steep. So we're doing something super exciting. We're about to catch the ferry across the, I don't know what river it's called.
Daintree River.
Daintree River? Is that true?
Yeah.
Ah, Daintree River, easy. Because we are going to do the Bloomfield Track. So we're getting the ferry across and then we'll go to like Cape Tribulation, Cow Bay and a few other places. And then yeah, we'll take the Bloomfield Track, which starts just of the other side of Cape Tribulation, all the way up to Cooktown. And then we'll go the other way inland. So yeah, we'll tell you what the road's like, what the camping's like, things to do along the way. So yeah, it's gonna be good. Joss is excited.
Yeah. I haven't done any research about it or anything, so I have no idea what to expect.
So nothing's changed. So a return price for a car or a ute is $45. We're just going to get a one-way, which is $26. Seems like the line's moving pretty quick. It is busy, but I think you can fit a lot of cars on. Thank you. Yeah, you don't need a ticket, but would you like your receipt?
No, that's all good.
Thank
Cheers.
you. So we've all boarded the ferry. It didn't take long, but this river is literally filled with crocodiles. So let's hope we don't sink.
For your own safety, please remain in your vehicle.
Remain in your vehicle.
Turn the motor off.
Turn your motor off.
Put the handbrake on.
Put the handbrake on.
Done?
Yep. So we've just stopped, the first stop on past the ferry. This is Alexandra.
Look out.
Look out. Alexandra. Could be male or female. Just making some lunch. What's that? Oh, it's ham, salad, mayo, egg wrap. But yeah, I'm going a bit off wraps.
Oh, we literally just went to the shops and I said, do you want sandwich, do you want bread or wraps? And you said wraps. Creek and it's super beautiful, but obviously we are in the Daintree, so there's signs that says there's crocodiles, but then there's also rope swings, so it's just very contradictory. Just pulled into the Daintree ice cream company. Loads of exotic like tropical fruits here, so I'm excited to see what flavours they've got.
Coffee flavour.
Ooh, do you reckon?
Do they grow coffee here?
I don't know.
No. It's Colombia.
Is that good? Mine is super fresh, yummy. Got strawberry and Joss got coffee, cardamom and cinnamon. No, coffee and cardamom. Joss got the grumps. We've just pulled into Cape Trib camping. It's the first one if you've come off the ferry, it's like to go to Cape Tribulation. Beautiful down at the beach area. I heard the lady say they're all booked out tonight. Power sides are 80 bucks. So yeah, in the green patch, 40 bucks a night, unpowered, just like a massive paddock they've just cleared. And they've got some new amenity blocks. So I think there's toilet, showers, washing machine, camp kitchen, and you're allowed to have fires. But yeah, 40 bucks.
Lucky there's facilities.
Yeah, well, we wouldn't have stayed here otherwise.
No.
Yeah, 2 other options in town. One had okay reviews, which was like the other beachfront one. And then it was 40 bucks to be in the jungle anyway, so we took our luck to try and get a beach like one down here, but not today. So we're gonna have a coffee, Joss is gonna feel energized, and then we'll ride down to the beach.
Yep.
Beautiful view of like the hills and the mist. And this is Joss's new coffee machine.
I will do a video.
We've just called into Cape Tribulation Beach. It's absolutely beautiful and very, very quiet. There's not many people here, and the weather today is absolutely phenomenal. No clouds, doesn't look like any rain, so oh, way over there. So yeah, so now we're just going to jump back in the car and we're going to start the Bloomfield Track, which we are super excited to do. I'm not too sure how much further of bitumen before it goes into dirt, but yeah, follow along.
My body never known. You know my body never known. You know my body never known.
So Joss and I are just literally bashing through the bush here and getting stuck on got everything. And then we just saw some people like on the actual trail. We couldn't find it. So now we're just going to the bush to get onto the trail. Oh, is that spiky there? Huh?
That's fine.
This is better.
Man,
We're the worst.
that could have been the track.
Could have been.
I don't think.
Oh my god. We were thinking this can't be that hard.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that family walked past. Caught us on the right track.
Yeah, otherwise it'd be just.
Literally through all that thick stuff.
But only like a few meters from the track.
At least we're going the right way.
Yeah, we would have got it eventually because you got to follow it.
Just follow the creek up, but yeah, this is much easier, quicker and safer. Huh?
Oh yeah, there.
Woo! Yellow go! What's this called?
Wait, what's this? Donovan Range.
Going up the Donovan Range.
Yeah.
That's concrete. Is Baz gonna make it?
First gear.
First gear. 20%. What do you call that?
Gradient.
She's steep. Pretty glad we got our new brakes done before doing this.
water, mate.
No. Got new tyres too.
New tyres. Oh, that's pretty much it.
Okay. And brakes. So Joss has put it in full drive and just cruising up in second gear. Yeah, it's quite steep, but it is bitumen, which is obviously great. And we're just taking our time. Is that like the steepest part, do you reckon?
Back there.
Yeah. It looks like it flattens out now, so... Oh, car coming. Too fast as well, what an idiot. Another car. Pretty narrow here as well, so this nice guy here has pulled over for us. The other guy just thought he'd cruise on by, so good on him. Oh shit.
Is that the steepest bit?
I think so, yeah, so it is.
Which one's this mine?
Such a nice spot, just sat down and had lunch and just making a coffee. There's a few little spots that you could camp here, and I think people obviously do, and there's some locals down just a bit further. Went and had a chat with them. He'd caught some wild pig yesterday that they're just cooking up tonight. He said like lamb shanks with just some veggies. So they've got a fire going just up a bit further. Never had wild pig before. I don't think I'd like it. But yeah, beautiful spot. It's really busy though, like with the bridge there you can really notice the traffic. Some nice birds, no crocs in here.
Yeah.
What, just on you or?
Yeah, there's no blood. Look at that.
Psycho. Oh look, that must be smelling you. Oh, chuck them in the water. No.
They drown?
They like water now.
Ah, stick.
She's a bit taut. Wait, are we done?
I don't know, it might have to come back and go gravel again. I just prefer the...
So we've just come out of off the gravel road. We've hit bitumen. There's a couple of communities. I think this might be the community here. And the landscape's completely changed. It's like we're out of the Daintree and it's more, kind of reminds me like at home of like northern New South Wales. A bit dry looking. And then a massive river down beside us, which we're assuming is the Bloomfield River. Houses. Must be able to camp at the footy oval.
So this is Bloomfield, yeah. Right.
Oh, so is this Bloomfield?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's...
Okay, so then yeah, that's definitely the Bloomfield River.
Yeah.
Yeah, camping here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Is Wiki working? Oh, is that the river? Do you want to turn down there? Oh no.
No,
That's a footy field. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, I'm not too sure if we're like now technically finished the Bloomfield Track or if it will turn when we turn off to go to where we're staying tonight at Home Rule, if that's still technically the Bloomfield Track.
Get one of the car at least.
So we've just pulled up to Home Rule. It's a station, it said station I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's a big property.
It's just a massive property, just one really lovely guy. It's $20 per person. Watch just falling off this rock. Oh, this tree. Go on, Gil.
No.
It's croc-free swimming. There's a waterfall on the property, and it's just like huge areas of beautiful mowed grass. It's got toilet and showers, camp kitchen, like everything you want. So we've decided to stay here instead of the lion's den because the lion den was chockers, and it's only like, we're going to save $10 to go to the Lion's Den, so we would drink that in beer. So this is perfect for us. We're going to stay the night here. Yeah, it's hard to believe that it's croc free. I probably would still swim.
Well, this property's been owned for so long, I've never had a croc here, so.
Yeah. So we found a little spot down on a different little creek. Well, I think it's the same creek actually, but just a bit further from everyone else, let them have their space. It is sandy down here, but perfect little hideaway for Joss and I for the night. So if you're ever travelling up to Cooktown or like doing the Bloomfield Track, we cannot recommend this place enough. So much space, and last night it was just so peaceful to be able to choose where you want to camp and have a fire, and yeah, I've had a couple of swims in the little creek, so yeah, definitely a peaceful camping.
Home rule.
Home rule, that's what it's called. $20 per person, per adult. Lots of places to like walk around. So yeah, we're just in Cooktown, outside Cooktown at Finch Bay, and this is the northernest most point that we're going.
I know man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive as I reach out.